Hi, welcome to our live broadcast. This is Nora and this is my partner Chloe.
Hi, I'm Chloe.
Today we are very honored to introduce our products to you all. As we all know, with the development of the technology, our life becoming more and more convenient, such as air conditioner make us feel more comfortable in summer. Induction cooker help us cooking, and the TV make our life not boring, and so on. Chloe, I have a question for you. What home appliance most important for you in the daily life?
Well, Nora, I think the most important is washing machine. Mostly in cold winter, our clothes are too many and big. It is not easy for us to washing. Then, washing machine gonna help us greatly and reduce our unnecessary workload.
Okay, I agree with you. With the washing machine, we can save many times. And today our topic is the important part of the washing machine, computer board.
Yes, our Sunchonglic factory is professional for producing the universal washing machine board with advanced production equipment and professional engines and modern production workshop. Different washing machine models are equipped with different computer boards. Firstly, we are going to introduce to you the Universal Washing Machine Computer Board SCL2200E.
Okay, now the washing machine mostly is divided into automatic washing machine and drum washing machine. Our SCL2200E is used for the automatic washing machine. Let's see from here. This is the box. And let's look inside. This is the water sensor, and this is the accessory, and this is the board. Okay, we see from the board. This is the water level button, and here is high, middle, and low light. It depends on how many clothes you want to washing. Then use the water level button to choose you want high water level to washing or others. And here is the process button, and this is the wash rate and speed light. You can choose the programmer from the process button, and here is on and off button, and here is the start punch button. And in addition, there are we can see from here, there are low, middle, and high LCD identifier on computer board. We can analyze different malfunction by the state of the LCD display. When we can see from here, when low water level light, process light flashing, and it means the damage failed. And if the mature water line, process light flashing, and means the dehydration dot cover is not closed. And when the setting a normal water level, then high water level light and process light will flash, or you can see from the package.
Yes, thanks Nora. Let me replenish more details to you. This is ultra-thin washing machine universal board with the following characteristics. The first one, equipped with original shape. It is good for stability and resisting interference. Then the second, it has blocker controller, so it's no need power switch. Then the third one, two options for drainage output, DC and AC. Then, equipped with the suitable pressure switch for water level. Ensure the water level is correct.
That sounds great. Chloe, if we replacing computer board, what should we pay attention to?
Well, there are two kinds of computer board output. So you need to confirm the drainage system is DC draining water or AC draining retractor. Then the second, after replace water level sensor, if the barrel has water in storage, you have to choose the computer board function to drain the water on time so that the water level frequency and the computer board are synchronized. Otherwise, it will enter water storage for a long time or the water level is not normal.
Okay, please remember Chloe talking about. Let me introduce more. And the water level control switch should ensure it is a water level sensor with the 3 pin. Here you can see here 1, 2, 3. This is 3 pin with 3 pin, and the frequency should match the frequency of the computer board, the factory equipped one with the computer controlled board. Secondly, the water level frequency sensor must be accurate. Both low and high level will cause problems such as only washing and the draining clothes, fill in the water for a long time, or increase water level.
Oh, Nora, I have a question for you. If after draining water, it cannot dry clothes, not following procedures and having alarm sound, what should I do?
You should check the cover switch, not cable go out or the poor connection.
Oh, I get it. How about when the washing machine is drying, if the impeller rotates and the outer barrel does not rotate, what can I do for it?
Okay, that is easy. Please reserve connecting light. Then the washing machine can keep on working.
Okay, I get it. And I want to remind you all the following 3 points. The first one, the washing motor must have a starting capacitor. Otherwise, the computer board will be burned out if the motor cannot work for a long time. Then the second, if the washing machine has a long rubbing function, please connect the hand rubbing control line to the AC draining valve terminal. Otherwise, it will cause problem of normal dehydration. Then the last one, please ask a qualified electrical repairer.
Okay, that's all for our SCL2200E. But we not only have SCL2200E for the automatic washing machine, we also have SCL3200E and SCL4200E. What's special for them? Let us introduce one by one. Corey, please.
Okay, it's my pleasure. Oh, now we can see in my hand, this is SCL3200E. So we can see the model number is here. So now let's open the box. So we can see this is the water level sensor. And this one is some accessories. So let's see our board. This is a touch-type washing machine universal board with high, middle, low, and little light. It is controlled by water level.
Yes, compared with SCL2200E, it is more little buttoned.
Yes, and this is soak, wash, rinse, and spin button. We use the process button to choose which function we want for clothes. And here, with digital display conveniently, you can choose how long you want to wash the clothes by program button. And we have 40 minutes, 42 minutes, 24 minutes, and 48 minutes. Normally, it's 40 minutes. If you want to wash your clothes faster, you can choose 24 minutes. On the right board, this is start and pause button, and also we have this one is stand button.
Well, every function is very clear on the board, and let's see from the box. It is mentioned the fault code. Here, you can see from here, E1 means the water fault, E2 means the drum fault, E5 means the water level sensor failed, and D12 means the door open. Let's see from the another side from the box. We can know more about SCL32008. Firstly, equipped with the original chip, it is good for the stable and anti-interference performance. Number 2, relay control is the electric source. Level out switch of the electric source. Number 3, there are 3 choices of the big battery, middle battery, and small battery. There will be the middle battery after removing the drum cap light. Number 4, we can choose the water output controlled. Number 5, equipped with the stable water level sensor. Make sure the water level is correct.
Oh, now we learn more from it. Next part, please allow me to introduce the SCL4200E. Now, here is the box. We can see his model number is on here. Now, let's open the box and see what is inside. So, we also have the water level sensor and some accessories. And let's see our board. So, we can see the model number is here, SCL4200E. On the left, this is child lock, water level, and process button. We can use this child lock function to avoiding children get hurt by washing machine. Then the red one, this one on the right, this is the power button. There are procedure and start and pause button. All information and details will show in the middle big digital display clearly.
That looks nice. With big digital display, it's very easy for us to know every process. Same as the SCL2200E. The SCL320E. We can know what problem happened by the failed code. Let's see from here. E1 means the no water inlet more than 20 minutes. E2 means the no drainage more than 8 minutes. E3, the door cover is not closed properly during the dehydration. E4, the sensor is not connecting properly.
So, well, when you meet any problem, please don't worry. We can know from the failure code and deal with it.
Yes, you are right. Chloe, could you tell us the more perfumes for use?
Oh, yes, it's my pleasure. Then, please hire the power switch professional with qualified certificate to install. Then the second, make sure to power on the test before installing the machine. There is high voltage on the main board, so pay attention to your safety. Then the third one, if cannot work properly, please check the fault code description on the box. If it's still not returned to normal, please unplug the power plug and contact the maintenance personnel. The user should never repair, disassemble or modify it by himself. Then the last one, before installation, please check the integrity of the washing machine motor, water inlet valve, and drain valve. Otherwise, it will burn the controller board.
Okay, thanks so much for telling that this all for our universal board for the automatic washing machine SCL2200E, SCL3200E, and SCL4200E. We can see from here the SCL2200E is very thin, like that. And the SCL3200E, it is the touch type and with the digital display. And the SCL4200E with big digital display.
Oh, Nora, we also have one universal board for drum washing machine, SCL5200E. This is our popular model.
Yes, you are right. Let's see from the board. Same as the, let's open it firstly. This is the box. You see, it is very hard. And let's open it. This is the water level sensor. This is the accessory, like that. And here, this one is our board. Okay. It is Samsung with the SCL42008. It is with big digital. And with here, we can see from here, it is with the speed, water, temperature, delayed, shock, and the programmer button. And here it is on and off button. This one is the start and plunge button. And then we also can see from here, this water level sensor is different. You can see from here. Each side. And then, Chloe, how about the fan code? Does it same with the automatic washing machine universal board?
No, it's different. When it shows E1, it means it let water over time. Then, when it shows E2, it means drain water over time. Then, when you see E3, it means door is not secure. Please check the door. Then, when it shows E4, it means resistant to regulation. Then, when it shows E5, it means speed signal detection is abnormal. Then the last one, when it shows E8, that means temperature sensor is abnormal.
Okay, I get it. That's all for today's live show for our universal computer board. You can try our universal board be based on your automatic or drum washing machine. Stable and nice quality with the plenty of stocks. We will be your good choice and good business partner. If you have any interest or questions, please feel free to contact us. Now let us introduce our washing machine brand board to you. We can see from here, this A model is our hot selling model, and here this is the box, our washing machine board box. You can see it is very hard and strong. Okay, let's one by one to introduce. Firstly, let's talk about the washing machine board PSQ500. We can see from here, it is connect with the water level sensor and public port and door switch. And this, the gray one is connect with the inlet, and the blue one is connect with the corrotation. And here, the pink one is connect with the refrigeration and the drainage. And here, the white one is connect with the net light output common and net light. And on the right, here have the pink one. It connect with the live light. And here we can see, here have a 6 button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It have different minutes. This one is the water level, and here is the process. This one means the procedure, and here is the reservation. And this one is the start and punch. And here, this one is our power switch. That's all for the PSQ500. And let's move on the next model. Okay, we see from the here, we can see this is the PSQ420. You can see here, this is the digital. display. And here the white one is connect with the water level sensor, safety switch, and the public port. And here is the inlet and the drainage. And the blue one is the corrotation. And the pink one here is connect with the refrigeration. And here is connect with the net line input, live line, and the net line output. And downstairs, it is 6 buttons. Also have different means. Process, water level, reservation, procedure, start, branch, and the power on and power off button here. That's all for the PSQ420. And let's move to the next model. Okay, let's see from here. Also, this is one also with the digital display. And here, the red one is connect with the corrotation and reversion. Here is the inlet, and here is drainage. From here, we can see the blue one and the white one. It is door switch and water level sensors. And here is connect with the light line and net light. And also have kinds of buttons. This one means the start button. And here is the water level. This is the process and the setup and procedure. That's all for the MA55 model. And then let's move to another model. Okay, we see from here. Also with the digital display. And here is different buttons. This means the water level, and this second button means the process, and third one means the setting. You can setting any programmer from here. And here is the procedure button. And here is the water flow regulation. And on the right, this one is start and plus button. And here is the power on and power off button. That's all for the SYS-A08. That's introduced from NOLA. And then, please, my partner Chloe introduced another 4 hot selling models. Please wait a moment. Okay.
Now it's my turn. Now we see our first model is SS48AA05. Now let's see more details. First of all, this is the water level sensor, and this one is connect with safety switch. Then this one is connect with power public port. Then let's see from the right. On the right we can see we have start and pause button, and this one is power supply. Then we can see 2 buttons here. The blue one is connect with corrotation. Then this pink one is connect with reversion. Then the white one here we can see is connect. This one is connect with drainage, and this one is connect with inlet. Now down here we can see so many buttons, right? Then let's see one by one. This one is reservation, and this is water level, this is function, and this is procedure. Now we can see the yellow part here. On the left is connect with no line. Then on the right one here is connect with no line output. Then the last one we also have the live line is connect here. So this is all from SS4AAA05. Let's move to our next model. So we can see here our next model is SS60A5. So let's see more details. So first of all, we have the safety switch is connect here. Then this is connect with public port. Then also we have water level sensor is connect here. Then we can see this one is start and pause button. And this black one is connect with live line. Then the yellow one here we can see up here is connect with no line output. Then the one down here is connect with no line. And we can see the blue one here is connect with corrotation. Then the pink one, it is connect with reversion. Now we can see the white here is connect with drainage and inlet. Now there are so many buttons here. Let's see what it is. This one is air drying, and this one is water level. This is function button, and this is cleaning washing, and this we also have procedure, and this one is reservation. Then the most important, the power supply is on here. Please remember this is all from SS60A5. Now our next model is XQB55158SF. Now let's see from this side first. Now we can see this blue one is connect with live line. Then the pink one here, up here is connect with no line output. Then down here is connect with no line. Then this white one is connect with reversion. Then we can see this blue part here. Then up on the left is connect with corrotation. Then down here, this one is connect with drainage. And the yellow part here on the left is connect with inlet. And on the right is connect with hand rubbing. Now let's see from another side. Now on this side, we can see 4 buttons here, and this one on the right, this is power supply. And we have water level button, and this is process button. This is procedure button, and this is start and pause button. So this is our model number XQB55158SF. Remember all the details. Then our next model is EBR62105301. So let's see from this side first. We can see this white one here. This is connect with water level sensor. Then we have the pink one here. Up on this one up here is connect with no line. Then this one down here is connect with no line common. Then what about this blue one is connect with live line. Then we can see this small part here is color is blue. It's connect with drainage, and this here is connect with hand rubbing. Then this is connect with corrotation. Let's move to this white part. As we can see, this is connect with inlet, and this one here is connect with reversion. Now let's move to another side. On this side, wow, we can see there are so many buttons here. That means this board is fully functional. Now let's see what it is. This is extra button and volume button and water level button. And this is washing and rinsing, dehydration, reservation, and procedure. And this one down here, it is start button and power supply. So remember, this is all from our model EBR62105301.
Okay, that is all for our washing machine brand board. But we all we not only have this, we also have kinds of washing machine board. Any need, please feel free to contact us by WeChat, WhatsApp, or the Facebook. This is our contact.